Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to install Office 2024 to your computer. If you are using now all version of Office package, here you can free update your version to 2024. Okay, let's go to video. We are doing this in 3 steps. First one, deployment tool download. Open your browser. Search Office Deployment Tool. And click on first link. I have given the all links in the description. Select language and download deployment tool. In this process, we must create folder in your C drive. Open your C drive and create folder. Name it Office 2024. Now go to your download folder and downloaded file copy to Office 2024 folder. Okay, now let's go to second step, configuration tool download. Go your browser and search Office customization tool download. Click on first link. Now select your system type. Then select Office Suite as the Office LTSC Standard 2024 volume license. Scroll down and choose the apps as your requirement. Click Next. Now select language and click Next. And click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click on Finish. Now export file. As before, configuration tool also copy to Office 2024 folder. Okay, now let's go to third step, install the setup. Go to the Office 2024 folder and now run Office deployment tool as administrator. Tick this and continue. Now give this also Office 2024. Click on OK. Now go to search bar and search CMD. Right click command prompt, give run as administrator. Run this command as per the video. This command I have given in the description. Now finish install. For verify installation, you can open any app of Office. Here, congratulations, you have successful installation of Office 2024. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want more tutorial like this, be sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.